Following the controversial shooting of a resident in Wat Town by an off-duty policeman, commanding officer for the St. Anne Police Division, Senior Superintendent Carlos Russell assured residents that the police are cooperating with investigators from INDECOM. The deceased has been identified as O'Neill Watson. He was allegedly shot by an off-duty officer stationed in another parish.
We are doing all our best to maintain peace in the community of Wat Town. Wat Town is a very quiet area, and we don't have a lot of crimes in the Wat Town space. And it's a farming community, and I know that the incident would have brought some form of tension in the community. We are working through our community safety and security branch with other agencies to provide counseling and mediation in the area.
There has been a heavy police presence in the area since the incident. SSP Russell is urging residents who have information to report it.
But what we don't want is further violence. And so we will continue to maintain our presence. We will continue to do the interventions to ensure that we have normalcy in the community of Wat Town.
The St. Mary Police Division has seized an illegal firearm and several rounds of ammunition in a motor vehicle officers intercepted in the Port Maria area. A man linked to a recent murder investigation in the corporate area was also arrested. He was one of 3 occupants taken into custody. The police say, acting on intelligence, they conducted a thorough search of the vehicle with assistance from the Caribbean Search Center at the Port Maria Police Station. Officers recovered a Tara's G2 9mm pistol and 12 rounds of 9mm ammunition. Investigations are ongoing. The St. Elizabeth Police are imploring citizens to play an active role in rebuilding